I need to look this up. Is it petroleum? Or am I just said something totally different? Yeah, petroleum. I thought I said something totally different. Okay. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, then welcome to my channel, which is all about skincare, makeup, and basically everything beauty related. Now today I'm going to be showing you how to exfoliate your lips easily. Now this is a product that I have been recently obsessed with. I feel like everyone should be using this product because it's so good for your skin, smells amazing, and it's just a clean product. Now, before we head into the video, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. You can also catch me on Instagram where you can watch my stories for daily beauty news and some PR unboxing. Now let's jump straight into the video. This is something that I have been telling so many of my clients to do for so long, and I feel like it's something that everyone should do. So I wanted to show you the easiest way to exfoliate your lips. Now I'm going to show you a product that I've been using recently and I absolutely love it, and I am so glad that it's something which you can use on your face, on your skin, as well as your lips. So I really wanted to show you how I use this on my lips. Now there are other methods of exfoliating your lips which are also easy, but honestly, since I've been using this product, it is one of the easiest ways that I have found to exfoliate the lips. I'll be honest, I do find those lip scrubs a waste of money. You know, when you go out and you actually buy a product which says it's a lip scrub, you really don't need to waste your money. It's just another way to market products for brands. This way, I'm using an exfoliator which is for the face. I feel like that came out really weird, but it's for the face. So this is something that I really wanted to show you because as much as this is going to be a quick video and as much as it is, you know, a really small topic, it is such an important topic when it comes to making sure that your lips look smooth and great with any type of texture or lip color. And I'm going to show you by applying my lipstick after just how amazing they do end up looking. So I have been using this brand for a little while now and I'm obsessed with some of their products. One of them being this one here. Now the brand is called Wind, W-H-I-N-D, and it's called Sahara Silk Vanishing Cream Exfoliator. What I love about this is you're not left with loads of those exfoliating beads all over your lips. Now, I love the fact that this is something, like I said, that you can use it all over. Now, I'm just gonna open this up. Oh my God, and it smells so good. I love the smell of these products because I feel like you can use, it just smells like it's very kind of Moroccan, and it feels like you are in a really luxurious spa in Morocco somewhere. That's what it, close your eyes and smell it, literally takes me right there. So, not that I've ever been to Morocco, but I would assume that's how it feels and how it smells. So, okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this product because you've got to leave it on for a few minutes, right? I'm gonna take a very small amount, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna smooth this over my lips. And you are gonna be, when you try this product on your lips, you're gonna be shocked. You're gonna be shocked at the results, I mean. Like, I got my sister hooked on this. I tried it on her, I put it on her, and then she could not believe how her lips felt after. Okay, that's it, right? You can feel when you're kind of smoothing it over your lips, you can feel like tiny beads, and you can feel them kind of like just working their magic. But at the same time, I love the fact that the beads are not too big. They're pretty small, and yeah, it just feels so buttery on my skin. So I'm gonna leave that for a few minutes. Now, I was gonna tell you there are a few other ways to do this. Like, I'm gonna go through them with you because I'm just showing you what I like to use. There are other ways to do it as well. One of them being get a whole load of Vaseline, slap it all over your lips, and then get a spare toothbrush, which is very soft, not too hard, and then lightly scrub, and that will take the dead skin off. Now that is one method, which I do recommend to a lot of people. But personally, I feel like if you use a product like this, you will have the added benefits of the actual moisture. Like, you'll feel like your skin on your lips are hydrated and they feel kind of velvety soft as well. Whereas with Vaseline is just, it's just I can never say the word. Petroleum Is it petroleum? I need to look this up. Is it petroleum? Or am I just said something totally different? Yeah, petroleum. I thought I said something totally different. Okay, it's basically just a barrier, right? It doesn't actually hydrate your skin. Vaseline doesn't really hydrate your skin. It just sits there on top. So it just locks everything in. So yeah, this is something which I feel like will give you that added moisture, will also give you that hydration on your lips, and also give you that exfoliation that you need too. And plus you can use it everywhere else on your face too. So that's why I wanted to show you this, but you can do it the other way with Vaseline if you want. But the problem with that is that some people go a little bit too extra with the scrubbing, and then they've got really raw red lips. So I feel like if you want to use something where it's difficult to go to like overboard with it, then I would go for something like this. Like, I don't know about other products, but I do know that this one is totally fine on the lips. I've used it. You can use it anywhere on the face. It's totally fine. Very gentle on the skin too. Now I'm going to take this off. I'm just going to kind of wet. I've got a little kind of pad here, which I'm going to wet with some water, and just going to take this off now. And you'll see tiny, tiny beads. Super easy to take this off. Okay, like this is what I really want you guys to experience. Haven't even got like Vaseline or lip balm on, and my lips feel so hydrated, really like velvety, buttery soft. Yeah, I just wanted you to kind of like know that, because it just is amazing, this product. And since I've tried it out and used it on my sister, I have been using it on all my clients and they absolutely love it, and it gives you the most amazing smooth finish. Now I'm going to go in with my lip pencil because I want to show you how this overall will look. So I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Iconic Nude Lip Pencil and just going to line my lips. I do feel as well, by the way, that it does kind of plump your lips up a little bit. I'm going to use my Dior, or my Rouge Dior 100 lipstick, which is a nude lip color, and it's completely matte. And I want to show you how you can still use a matte, like a really matte lipstick on top, and I haven't even put any like lip balm or anything on. That's how hydrated this product leaves your lips. Let's just get a lip brush. That is literally it. And I don't know if you can see, but my lips are super smooth. Now, another thing I want to say is usually like a matte lipstick like this one that I've used, I would always feel like I need to put a lip balm underneath because it can really dry out my lips. I don't really use a lot of liquid lipstick, so I wanted to show you what I would use, and that's a matte lipstick. And your skin, like your lips still feel really hydrated underneath. They don't feel dry or anything. So personally, this is the easiest way for me to exfoliate my lips, and hopefully that kind of like is quite obvious to you. Like, I hope you guys can see how easy that is. My main thing is I always want to show you guys products which I feel are not a waste of money. So anytime I recommend something, it's because I feel like it's worth the money, or you can get multiple uses out of it, you know, like for different things. It's not just a product for the eyes, a product for the lips, a product for the skin, and that's it. Like, I want to be able to show you guys products which I feel you get the most out of, and the brands are not taking you for a ride. So I really wanted to show you this product because it's something that I love, and it's something that I've tried and I now use on a regular basis on my clients as well. And it's something you can use on your skin too, and it really does leave your skin, like your lips, feeling buttery and velvety soft. So that is how to exfoliate your lips easily. And there you go. That's how I use the product to exfoliate my lips. It's super easy. It can actually be done anywhere, and plus the great thing is you can take that product along with you and use it on your skin. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next video, take care, and I'll see you soon.